Meanwhile, in Silang, Cavite, students of Tartari Elementary School received school supplies from cadets of the Philippine National Police Academy. We have the details of this report from Sweden Velado.
Around 200 students from grades 1 to 3 received new sets of school supplies like notebooks, pad paper, pencils, eraser, and sharpener from the Philippine National Police Academy or PNPA. On Monday morning, cadets and personnel of PNPA marched to Tartaria Elementary School in Silang, Cavite to start their annual Brigada Eskwela sponsored by PNPA classes of 1998, 2002, and PMA class of 1991.
Gusto po namin kasi embrace sa mga kaisipan ng mga kadete natin na isang responsibilidad ng public security officer is to give service to the community po.
A female cadet shared that this kind of activity is important because it helps shape their characters as future public safety officers who are always ready to serve the needy.
Isa itong sa aming mga kadete na magbigay tulong para sa mga mag-aaralan. Lalo na ngayon na tinitrain kami para maging public servant. Isa itong malaking training para sa amin para mapalapit sa isang sa publiko. At naniniwala kami na isa sa mga batang ito sa paaralan na ito, dito uusbong ang isang leader na katulad namin.
Police Superintendent Hordan Pakiti reiterated that such outreach programs are part of PNPA cadets' social obligations to the community. Meanwhile, administrators and students of the public school extended their warmest gratitude to PNPA for their new school supplies.
Lubos po ang aming pasasalamat sa mga taga-Tartaria PNPA Academy.
Salamat po dahil po binigyan niya ako ng mga bagong gamit sa paaralan.
The theme of PNPA's Brigada Eskwela for this year is Kadete at Mag-aaral, Pag-asa ng Bayan, Magkabalikat tungo sa matuwid at malinis na kinabukasan. For the People's Television, this is Sweden Velado.